With just one small machine in your garage, you can turn simple materials into real products and real income. No big factory, no huge budget, just the right tool and the will to start. In this video, you'll see 12 powerful machines that anyone can use at home to create sellable, profitable products. 1. Coffee roaster. Starting a small coffee roasting business is one of the easiest ways to turn a simple machine into a premium product. A countertop roaster lets you transform inexpensive green beans into high-quality, freshly roasted coffee that people are willing to pay top dollar for. Green beans are cheap, have a long shelf life, and come in endless varieties: Ethiopian, Colombian, Brazilian, Kenyan, you name it. Once roasted, the value immediately jumps. A $5 bag of green beans can sell for $15 to $20 once roasted and packaged nicely. You can sell to local cafes, offices, market stalls, or build your own online brand. And coffee drinkers stay loyal, so once someone likes your roast, they keep coming back. It's a small machine, but a huge business opportunity. 2. Laser rust removal machine. Laser rust removal machines look futuristic, but they're becoming the go-to solution for mechanics, car restorers, metalworkers, and even homeowners. Instead of using harsh chemicals or endless sanding, this machine uses laser pulses to vaporize rust instantly. Even a basic portable model around $5,000 can remove rust from tools, cars, gates, machinery, and antiques with amazing precision. The best part? The work is fast, clean, and super satisfying to watch. People actually pay $50 to $100 per hour for this service. You can work from home, visit clients, or set up a mini workshop. There's almost no competition because the tech is still new, and that gives you a huge advantage. 3. Desktop CNC plasma cutter. A CNC plasma cutter lets you work with metal like a professional manufacturer, even from a small garage. With computer-guided precision, it cuts steel, iron, aluminum, and other metals into any shape you want. Many small businesses use them to make metal wall art, signs, furniture parts, brackets, barbecue grills, nameplates, and custom pieces for cars or machines. Starting costs are around $1,500 to $3,000, and the demand is huge because metal products sell for a high price and look premium. If you enjoy design and creativity, this machine can quickly turn into a full-time business, and customers love the ability to request custom designs. 4. Wood lathe. A wood lathe is like a magic spinning machine that turns simple blocks of wood into beautiful, handcrafted items. Bowls, cups, pens, vases, tool handles, candle holders. You can make all of these with just one machine. People love handmade wooden products because they feel natural, warm, and unique. A small lathe costs around $800 to $2,000, and you can sell your creations at local markets, gift shops, or online stores. Personalized items, like engraved pens or custom bowls, sell especially well. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys craftwork and wants a business that's both creative and profitable. 5. Screen printing machine. Screen printing remains one of the most popular ways to create custom clothing. With a simple machine costing $500 to $2,000, you can print t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, sports jerseys, and uniforms. Schools, small businesses, teams, events, and influencers all need custom clothing regularly. A blank shirt costs about $3 to $5, and you can sell it for $15 to $25 with a printed design. That's a big profit margin, and once you get good at it, you can take bulk orders and make money in bigger batches. If you want to start a local brand or offer printing services, this machine is a perfect entry point. 6. Industrial sewing machine. An industrial sewing machine is a powerful tool that can handle thick fabrics and leather, something normal home machines can't do. With it, you can make leather bags, wallets, belts, laptop sleeves, clothing, repairs, and custom accessories. People love handmade leather goods because they look stylish and last a long time. A basic industrial machine costs around $800 to $3,000, and the materials are affordable. A simple wallet that costs $5 to make can sell for $30 to $80 depending on the design. If you enjoy crafting and want a business with high demand, this is a great choice. 7. Vacuum forming machine. Vacuum forming is a simple way to shape heated plastic over a mold. It sounds technical, but it's actually very beginner-friendly. For $800 to $3,000, you can create product packaging, chocolate molds, cosplay armor, trays, masks, tool organizers, phone stands, and custom parts. It's extremely versatile. You're basically making products from sheets of plastic. This machine is popular among small manufacturers, bakers, craft businesses, and even toy makers. Because the process is quick and cheap, your profit margins can be very high. 8. Food dehydrator. A food dehydrator lets you turn fruits, vegetables, and meat into healthy, long-lasting snacks. Think dried mango, fruit chips, beef jerky, vegetable crisps, or herbal teas. These snacks have a high market value and people love natural, chemical-free foods. A dehydrator costs $200 to $1,000 and can run multiple batches at once. You only need to slice, season, and dry the food. The machine does the rest. Since dried snacks keep for months, you can easily package them and sell them in stores, online, or to gyms and markets. It's a low-risk business with huge demand. 9. Plastic shredder and recycler. If you like eco-friendly businesses, this one is perfect. A plastic shredder grinds old plastic into small pieces, which you can melt and reshape into useful products like bowls, coasters, tiles, keychains, planter pots, or even bricks. These machines range from $2,000 to $8,000, and the raw material is basically free plastic waste. Many creators build small brands around recycled products because customers love sustainable items. You get to clean the environment and make money at the same time. 10. Key cutting machine. Key cutting machines are small, reliable, and always in demand. People lose keys, break them, or need spares all the time. A key that costs a few cents to make can sell for $3 to $8, and the process takes less than a minute. Machines start at $500 to $3,000, and you can operate from a kiosk, a mini shop, or even offer mobile services. Once you get a steady flow of customers, the business basically runs itself. It's one of the fastest ways to make daily cash. 11. Pellet mill. A pellet mill compresses sawdust, wood chips, or agricultural waste into small pellets used for heating or animal feed. Many households and farms rely on pellets because they're cheap, eco-friendly, and efficient. With a $1,500 to $5,000 machine, you can turn waste into a valuable product. People buy pellets in bulk, so once you find customers like farmers, livestock owners, or people with pellet stoves, you'll have steady, repeatable income. It's one of those hidden businesses with long-term stability. 12. Rubber stamp machine. Rubber stamps are used everywhere: offices, schools, shops, banks, and even packaging businesses. A rubber stamp machine costs $60 to $500 and can create custom stamps in minutes. Since the materials are cheap and the process is quick, the profit margin is huge. A stamp that costs $2 to make can be sold for $15 to $30. You can offer text stamps, logo stamps, date stamps, or even personalized designs. It's a great low-cost business that can start right from your desk. These first 12 business ideas prove that you don't need a huge budget or a big workshop to start something powerful. With the right machine and a bit of creativity, you can turn simple materials, coffee beans, plastic, fabric, metal, or even digital files, into real income. Each idea has low startup costs, high demand, and space to grow into a full-time business if you stay consistent. Whether you want something creative, technical, or practical, there's an opportunity here that can fit your skills and lifestyle. Pick the one that speaks to you, start small, and build your way up. Your next successful business might be just one machine away.